We're doing a video series on how to space out your credit card applications by issuer. To recap, never apply for 2 cards from the same issuer on the same day. You will probably get rejected for one of them. You can probably get approved for 2 cards in one day from different issuers, but for the same issuer, you need to be aware of their rules. Today we're going to talk about how to manage your applications for Citi cards so you don't get fucking rejected. Citi offers a bunch of great travel rewards cards, including the Citi Prestige, Citi Premier, Citi Double Cash, Citi Rewards Plus, and several cards co-branded with American Airlines. Citi is a weird one. I was rejected for Citi cards for a long time while I had a collection on my credit. When it was gone, I started applying for them, but I never got an automatic approval the way I did for Chase, Amex, and Bank of America cards. Instead, I got a follow-up call to confirm my personal information, and if I missed that call, I got rejected. So if you don't get automatically approved for the card and the online application says your application requires further review, look for that call and return that call. They leave a voicemail with a callback number, or better yet, be proactive. Call Citi's application hotline. Whenever I've done this, I've gotten approved on the phone. Word is that Citi is harder on approvals than Amex and easier than Chase, although my personal experience is that I was approved for a lot of Chase cards before I was ever approved for a Citi card. As for spacing out applications, Citi has a rolling application limit. You can only be approved for 1 Citi card every 8 days and 2 Citi cards every 65 days. So if you applied for the Citi Prestige card, let's say, and wanted to apply for the Citi Double Cash, you would have to wait at least 8 days after you applied for the Citi Prestige in order to apply for the Citi Double Cash successfully. And if you wanted to apply for a 3rd credit card from Citi, say the Citi Business American Airlines Advantage Platinum Select MasterCard, you will need to wait at least 65 days after you applied for the first card, in this example, the Citi Prestige. The second card you applied for, the Citi Double Cash, won't hurt you as long as it's been at least 8 days since you applied for it. Remember, these limits are rolling. Citi has no analog for the Chase 524 rule. To wit, they don't give a flying fuck how many cards you have applied for from other issuers, except for how those cards impact your credit score in the standard assessment of your credit. Citi does not have a once-in-a-lifetime bonus rule like Amex. After having the card for 24 months, you can downgrade that card, apply for the same card, and get the sign-up bonus all over again. However, you can't get that bonus if you have canceled the same card in the past 24 months. Let's say you have the Citi Premier card for 24 months after having gotten 60,000 points as a sign-up bonus, and now you want the Citi Rewards Plus card. It may be better to downgrade the Premier card to a Rewards Plus card instead of getting a new Rewards Plus. The no-fee Rewards Plus card has a 10,000 point sign-up bonus, whereas a new Premier card would be eligible for another 50,000 or 60,000 point sign-up bonus. Please note that several of the Citi American Airlines co-branded cards have a 48-month rule against churning, as opposed to the other cards. The cards in the Citi Thank You Points program, the Prestige, the Premier, and the Rewards Plus are all limited by family rules. What this means is that you can only get bonuses on one of them every 24 months. You can get all 3 of them within 24 months if you space them out correctly with the rolling limit and get approved, but you can only get sign-up bonuses on one of them. If you mess up the order and end up getting the Rewards Plus first, you're screwed. The Rewards Plus usually only has a 10,000 point sign-up bonus. Make sure to start with the Prestige or the Premier, which routinely has a bonus of 50,000 to 60,000 points. So that's how you space out Citi cards. Follow these rules and Citi will be your corporate sponsor for free travel before you know it. Make sure to leave a comment if you have questions on anything or have something to add. Give the video a thumbs up if you liked it. If you didn't like the video, maybe keep that to yourself. Subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so your phone yells at you when we post a new video, and make sure to check out the Travel Punks podcast at all the podcast places.